Hello guys, today I will show you how to make camera using your A4 paper. It's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is first of all you need to create a square using this paper. So how do you create a square? By folding this corner to the one side of the page like this. And when you fold this corner, you need to make sure that other corner meets up with this one. So let's do it. So I'm gonna take it very slowly, softly first. Start with, yep. And then once you get your grip onto it, you just press it down smoothly. You go in proper angle like this, and a bit more down. Then basically once you folded one side of the page, you cut this part off. You can either use scissors to cut it off, or you can either fold it first and then crease it down. You fold it at your best ability, press as hard as you can. Once you've done that, just chop it off from the edge and then just tear it off. There we go. And we don't need this part, get rid of it. So this is your square page now. Can you see? So all the angles are same. Then you just just fold it in half again like this. There you go. And then fold it again. And then from one side flip this page out, half of triangle, and then on the other side just turn it, flip it out. Once you folded that, you fold this side again. And then fold this side. So there's two sides to it. One side is folded, the other side is plain. So you turn it on this side and then fold it again. So you're basically repeating the same process. So you do this 3 times actually. You follow this process 3 times. So this is second time I'm doing it. Fold it from half. By the way, this is a thick paper, that's why it's looking a bit hard. Yeah. And then you open it up and then fold the other side. And then fold this side. So we've done second cycle, and then third cycle. When you open up again, this is you've got to always go on this side where you see all this open up angles. Just fold them in half, and then again, and then this side and this side. And then open it up and then fold it from here and then fold it from there. Okay, now guys, this is a tricky part now. Once you've done this, you put it down and then one side, just pull it out from there and pull it out from there, and then you just flatten it. This is going to be your grip, and do it on this side as well. Yeah, there we go. Remember, this is a camera and it's 100 megapixel. Now you're gonna open it up like that, and then push it down a bit, and then shape will sit itself. Okay, now camera needs obviously, to look through you need a hole. So what we're going to do is get a pencil or something. You get a pencil and you poke it from here. So this is your hole to see through. Then you fold it, and then you just soften the tip of the edge, fold it one side and then the other side, right guys? And then I'm going to see through this hole, this one. You ready? I'm gonna take a picture, guys. Smile. There we go. Take another picture. Ready? There we go. So this is your camera. You can't treat that as a little train or whatever you call it, or can make it into like a wheelchair thing. You can create so many shapes. You can call it a scissors. There we go. But no, mainly it's just the camera. There we go. Right guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye.